Here's how to make a really simple pizza recipe with Odlums. So we're going to use the new Odlums double O flour, which is great for pizzas and pasta recipes. So into a bowl, we're going to add 200 grams of the new Odlums double O flour. And to that, we're going to add 2 grams of yeast and 4 grams of salt. And finally, 120 ml of lukewarm water. Now, so we're just going to place this on and let this knead away for 10 to 12 minutes. So once that's done, just use the same bowl. So we're just going to cling film that and then let it prove for 60 minutes to 90 minutes. Now, so while that's proving, we're going to blend up some of the Roma chopped tomatoes with garlic and herb. So add a little pinch of pepper to that and a small pinch of salt. And then just give it a good blend. So we're just going to dust the counter with some of the double O flour. Now, so we're just going to shape it and then roll your pizza out. So once you've that rolled out, dust your tray with some of the shamrock semolina. Now just place your pizza onto the tray and then on with your tomato sauce. Spread that out. Tear on some buffalo mozzarella on top as well. Sprinkle on some pepper and drizzle on some good quality olive oil. Now, so we're going to bake this at 200 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious pizza using the new Odlums double O flour.